Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PlayStation 5 to Steam. First, let's ensure everything is ready. Make sure both your PlayStation 5 and your computer running Steam are powered on and connected to the same local network. This setup is crucial for a smooth experience. You'll also want to have a USB-C cable handy for a wired connection, or confirm your PC has Bluetooth if you prefer wireless play. Getting these initial steps right will save you time later on. Now, let's get your DualSense controller connected to your PC. The simplest way is to use a USB-C cable. Just plug one end into your controller and the other into an available USB port on your computer. For a wireless connection, hold down the PlayStation button and the Create button on your controller simultaneously until the light bar begins to flash rapidly. Then, open your PC's Bluetooth settings. Find Wireless Controller in the list of devices and click to pair it. It's a quick process. With your controller connected, it's time to configure Steam. Open Steam and click the Big Picture Mode icon located in the top right corner of the window. Once in Big Picture Mode, go to the Settings menu, then select Controller Settings. Here, you'll need to check the box for PlayStation configuration support. This step is vital for Steam to correctly interpret your DualSense controller's inputs. You can also fine-tune button mappings and vibration preferences to suit your gaming style. Finally, you're ready to play. Exit Big Picture Mode and launch any game from your Steam library that supports controller input. Most modern titles will automatically detect your DualSense controller. If you encounter any issues, first check the in-game controller settings, as some games have their own specific configurations. You can also revisit Steam's controller calibration options if needed. Now, immerse yourself in your favorite PC games, enjoying the precise control and haptic feedback of your PlayStation 5 DualSense controller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.